Holy I Selassie I yeah. Jesse Blackstone, you know, rolling out of Babylon. Give thanks and praise to the Almighty One. He's our creation king. He ruled with it. Holy Emmanuel I Selassie I tell him what you want. Tell him what you want. Me say Jaja on the main line. Tell him what you want. Tell him what you want right now. Some house and car, some jewelry, some money, some just greedy. But I want to tell ya, I just give thanks and praise for life, health and strength. And coming out of penitentiary, cannot stay in mental slavery, cannot be in captivity. I give thanks to the Almighty. We have food in our fridge, give thanks. Have courage, give thanks. Positive, give thanks. Burn negative, give thanks. Jaja on the main line. Tell him what you want. Tell him what you want. Tell him what you want. Jaja on the main line. Tell him what you want. Tell him what you want right now. Well, you see what me want. Me no want nobody dead hand. See what me want. No blood fear run red hand. See what me want. Unity instead hand. See what me want. Loving our head hand. Hey, good vibes, my friend. Give thanks and praise to the Almighty Savior, Alpha Omega, Earth rightful ruler. I said, Holy Emmanuel I Selassie. From the east to the west to the north to the south, I lift up my eyes unto the King, from whence cometh my help. My help comes from Jah which made Zion and earth. He not suffer thy foot to be moved. He that keepeth, he will not slumber. Behold, he that keepeth Israel shall neither slumber nor sleep. Jah is thy keeper. Jah is thy shade upon thy right hand. The sun shall not smite thee by day, nor the moon by night. Jah shall preserve thee from all evil. He shall preserve thy soul. Jah shall preserve thy going out and thy coming in from this time now and even for evermore. Jah! I lie not.